Are you familiar with point-and-shoot cameras, or what most people call it these days, digicams? We have here the Kodak ProPix 45 and the Kodak ProPix 55. And yes, these cameras are brand new models, and we will do a quick unboxing today. What is up guys, Hate here and welcome to another video. Pamilyar ba kayo sa term na Kodakan? O pang mga thunders na yon o sa mga matatanda, meron kasi tayo ditong bagong point and shoot cameras from Kodak. And these cameras was just released last year. Baka akalain nyo ng mga vintage camera to Yung mga ganitong klaseng camera, hindi mo na kailangan ng photography technical stuff para ma-operate mo sila. Kasi by the name itself, all you need to do is you point and then you shoot. Tapos yun na. Ang dami ko pang mga sinasabi. Let's just do a very quick unboxing. Itong hawak ko ngayon, ito yung Kodak PixPro FZ55. So ang nipis niya, 'di ba? Halos magkaparehas lang talaga tong dalawang camera. So parehas silang merong 16 megapixel na resolution. Unahin natin tong FZ45. So what is inside the box? Meron siyang Paperworks. By the way, you can find this stuff on sale sa JG Superstore. Wow, meron siyang kasamang AA battery. So this is the Kodak PixPro 45. So this is powered by 2 AA batteries. Meron siyang lanyard. Meron siyang USB to micro USB na cable for transferring the photo. Kasi alam ko, hindi mo to magagamit or hindi mo ma-charge yung camera gamit yon. So it doesn't come with a memory card. So itong camera, kaya niya naman ng 64 gig. Wow, look at that. Pretty nice. And pretty sleek. So this is the 45. So let's just appreciate the front, the buttons, and the dials. Tapos powered siya ng AA battery. This has a 4x optical zoom, tapos 27mm wide angle lens, 16 megapixel both of them. Meron siyang panorama, continuous shooting, full HD video, and 2.7 LCD screen. And this is not a touch screen, so pretty basic camera. And then let's unbox this. This is the Kodak PixPro 55. Again, it comes with the Paperworks, and it comes with a charger brick. So parehas silang merong cable na USB to micro USB cable. And then meron siyang charger, meron din siyang lanyard, wrist strap, something like that. So this is the lithium-ion battery. And then the camera, ang pinakaibahan lang talaga nila is yung battery or yung power source nila. Itong FZ45, power siya ng dalawang AA batteries. While this is powered by a lithium-ion battery na rechargeable. And dahil doon, mas manipis siya kumpara dito sa FZ45. Tapos, ito ay meron siyang 5x optical zoom. Unlike dito na meron lang siyang 4x optical zoom. Pagdating kasi sa power consumption, meron siyang pros and cons. So, hindi porket ito ay AA batteries, mas maganda na siya dito. Case-to-case basis din siya. Kasi etong mga AA, very accessible to kahit saan. And etong mga ganitong klaseng camera, matagal naman to bago malobat yung isang battery or isang set ng battery sa kanya. Yung isa pa palang kaibahan nila, kung ito 27mm, itong FZ45, 27mm yung lens niya. Ito, ang lens na nakalagay dito is 28mm. Pero parehas silang merong 16 megapixel na resolution. Pagdating sa buttons, magkaparehas lang sila ng layout, halos, at saka ng number of buttons. These cameras are very compact and lightweight because it's made of plastic. Bago tong unboxing, I've tested this camera and taken a couple of shots using it. At ang masasabi ko lang ay it was so refreshing to use this kind of camera. It really brings back memories kasi tayo ay nagsimula rin sa Digicam. So far, wala pa namang guards na lumalapit sa atin para tayo sa ginagawa natin. Kasi parang cellphone lang to. Mas maliit pa nga to sa cellphone. Here is your video. Zoom. So, meron siyang 5 times optical zoom. Pwede na rin. Sana good yung morning niya. Naririnig nyo ba ako? Tinitest na rin natin yung audio quality nito kahit meron siyang hangin dito. Pagdating sa photo quality, hindi siya kasing sharp ng mga modern DSLR or mirrorless, pero hindi naman kasi siya ginawa para doon. Masasabi ko rin na yung photos taken by this camera has a unique character. Character na unique lang kay Kodak. Kayo ba, anong napansin nyo sa mga sample shots natin? Comment nyo naman sa baba. Kung naghahanap kayo ng ganitong klaseng camera, point and shoot camera for aesthetics or for other personal reasons pa, ilalagay ko na lang yung link ng mga camera na to sa description sa baba. And this is also available guys sa JG Superstore. I-check nyo na lang yung link nila. So I guess that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, my name is Hate. See you in the next video. Mabuhay!